Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V6 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and localize more security and privacy, which is at the very bottom, and here go to encryption and credentials. At the bottom of this list, we've got this option, delete all credentials, so just tap on it and tap on delete to confirm. Sometimes, always, if you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step, but that's normal, just enter it. And basically this is it, we just successfully removed the credentials. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.